This is Madhvi from Space Tech channel. So today I'm going to create a free blog and help all those who are interested in blogging and want to use the free blogger platform powered by Google. Okay, so we're going to create a free blog and without any delay, let's get started. So first you need to log into your gmail.com. Okay, and then click on 9 dots over here on Google Apps, and then click on Blogger. When you click on Blogger, a new interface will open which will ask you to create blog. Okay, in your case a different interface will open because I've already created one and deleted it, so the interface is looking like this. So I will click on create blog. I will choose any name. See, whenever you are creating a blog on any niche that you have selected, you will put the name of that particular blog. In my case, I'm actually showing you how to create a blog. So I will write the title, just for demonstration purpose. So here I'm going to write, let's say, sample or demo 23. Okay, next. So I will write demo 23 online. Ensure whenever you are writing the title, the URL of your blog, it should be available. Then only the save button will be highlighted. Otherwise, if you keep on writing the name, the save button is not visible, that means your new blog is not registered, and it will always be under subdomain that is of .blogspot.com. So demo23online.blogspot.com will be your blog URL. Click on save. My new blog is created successfully, that I can very well view from here. View blog. Click on view blog and your blog will be visible with the default theme. So default theme will look like this. If you want to change the theme, add menu bar, sidebar and everything, you want to change the entire look, that you can very well do it from themes. This is the theme button, the theme option. There are a number of options that we will discuss one by one. Theme option is where you can select from the given themes already. See, there are a number of themes given: Contempo, then Soho, then Emporio, Notable, Essential, Simple, Dynamic Views, Picture Window, Awesome Ink, Dot, Watermark, Ethereal. So you can choose from these themes also. Plus, if you don't like any of these themes, then you can download it from Google. There are best of the best responsive themes, blogger themes that are available on Google. You can download it. I will mention the link in the description so that you can download it from there. And in my opinion, I would suggest you to download colored Minima 3 theme, which looks very professional. You can download it from the link that I will mention in the description. Direct link to that theme. You can download it and simply upload it. And in order to upload that theme, what you can simply do is, I will mention the link here. I've already downloaded from the link that I will provide you in the description. You will click on theme, click on the 3 dots. Okay, click on restore. See, why you will click on restore is you have nothing on the blog. It is completely new. You're creating it for the first time. You have nothing to backup. In case you want to take the backup because you have written few posts, you have done some settings that you want to to be retained, at that time you will take first backup, and if anything goes wrong, you have the backup ready. But in my case, there is nothing that I could change here. So I will simply click on restore, click on upload. Okay, so the theme that I'm going to give you I will give the link in the description of, is this one, Minima colored 3 theme. So you will get the options also, which color do you want your theme to actually display. It has got blue, light blue, orange and red. I prefer light blue, so I will click on light blue. And this is a very responsive theme. It is restoring, and till the time it restores, you can see how it looks like. Your blog has a very default and very basic theme, okay, which has got menu, which doesn't even have a menu bar that you need to add it from separately. So here we have created it. I think the theme has been restored. Let's refresh and see how it looks. Now your theme, now your blog URL, the blog that you have created looks very professional. You can edit the menus. You can simply write home, blog, and blog articles, SEO. If you're running a fashion blog, then fashion articles, whatever. If you're running a affiliate marketing website, then you have this thing also. This site looks very professional. You can edit it as per your choice, and it looks really very user friendly and very much responsive. So wherever you will click, it will automatically take you to the new page without getting redirected. It is very responsive and looks very professional, and in this theme the Google AdSense gets approved also. If you write 20 to 25 unique articles, do SEO properly, okay, and apply good changes, and write all the posts properly, and send it for Google approval, Google AdSense approval, definitely will get the approval of. So here, this is a very beautiful blog using colored Minima 3 theme, okay, and this is how you will restore the theme. And there are some changes that needs to be done only when you have like detail. If you're doing editing, if you're removing the entire line, then you might need to do the editing in HTML. That I will cover later, but in this tutorial we will just learn how to create a blog and learn about the options that are given over here. So in posts, you can write multiple posts as per your choice, as per the categories that you will mention here. Link those posts to here. Then in statistics, you will see how many people have visited your blog, how many have left impression, how many people right from the beginning can be viewed here. Today, how many people have seen your blog, yesterday, this month, last month, and how many followers you have got, how many posts you have written, how many comments that you have got. You can filter the number of visitors day wise from here, day, year, right from the beginning. And more information can also be seen when you click here. Then you will be taken directly to Google Analytics. That is altogether a different topic. Okay, only when you link your blog with Google Analytics, then you will see the complete information there. Here you will see comments. All the comments that will be posted under your article will be visible here, okay, and you can approve and disapprove accordingly. So here you can see earnings. In earnings, obviously, if you have a Google AdSense account, here I already have, so I can connect. All I have to do is connect. If you don't have any Google AdSense account, you will be given this option. This is a new interface of Google Blogger altogether, where you can actually connect. I still haven't connected it because it's my new blog, just for demonstration purpose. So in earnings, you will see you can connect, you can remove also, and if you want to apply for one more AdSense account, you can use a different one. But if you can connect AdSense from here, and then all the information you can send your website for approval in Google AdSense, and whatever information that you have linked with this account will appear here. Under pages, you will need to create mandatory pages called privacy policy, disclaimer, terms and conditions, home, about us, contact us. These are the most important pages that you will need to create for running a blog or a website. So to create a page, you will need to click here, and then let's say if you're creating a page of privacy policy, okay, then this is how you will create a page. You will enter all the policies that you want to mention about your website and simply publish it. I'm publishing it blank just to show you how to create a page in Blogger. Okay, in layout, you can do all the possible changes as per your wish. See, you don't want all these options to appear in your blog, so you can simply edit it here. You can add a gadget of AdSense, whether you want to. I will click on it, add a gadget. See, these are the options that you can feature on your on your site or a blog, whether you want to add a HTML, JavaScript of third party, add network, or anything that is in the form of JavaScript or HTML code. Add these many options as per your choice. Followers, page header, image, labels, pages, linked list. Okay, so let's see. These are the, you can add linked list. There are so many things that you can do. You can add and accordingly customize this entire theme as per your choice, as per your wish. And in my opinion, this is one of the best themes, so you can edit it properly. And once you write all the things, if the things are right, if you're writing good articles, unique articles, and everything is perfect, then you will get the Google AdSense approval, and ultimately you can monetize your blog. So layout is something that can actually help you decide which gadget needs to appear in your blog. And what you can edit it, you can remove this. You don't want this, you can simply remove it. Okay, you don't want report appears to appear, you can add a footer menu. Okay, this is the footer menu. You can add a gadget anywhere, in the sidebar, in the above, in the post, anywhere where you think you can actually apply. And there are some changes. For example, these things needs to be changed. These things are not appearing in the layout. You can very well do so by editing HTML. That I will cover separately. So I hope you understood about Colored Minima 3 theme, which looks very fantastic, professional. The only thing which is left here is to write good articles, run your own blog as per your niche, and this is how you create a free blog using blogger.com. Okay, one more thing I would like to mention is it is not necessary for you to have a custom domain and a WordPress in order to get a Google AdSense. You can very well get a Google AdSense under subdomain, that is .blogspot.com. So you can very well create here, customize accordingly, and then get a Google AdSense approval. You can simply monetize your blog and earn from it. So whatever changes that you will make here in the layout, you just need to save it, and you can see the changes applied over here. Okay, under settings, this is completely about SEO and the settings that you do. You want to link your blog with Google Analytics property. Okay, that I will show you in the upcoming videos. If you want your blog to be visible in search engines, that you can very well do so. You can redirect to HTTPS, and then you can do permissions and how many posts you want to be visible. All these things I will cover in detail in the next video. Till then, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.